Hello guys, welcome to High Tech. Today we are going to learn about how to generate payload for Open Tunnel. It's very simple, stay tuned for the steps. But before that, kindly subscribe to the channel, click on the notification button and like the video. Let's click on. Okay, so before that, you click on the Open Tunnel app. Make sure you download the app. Open Tunnel, this app. Okay, after downloading it, you open it. After you open it, it will appear like this. Okay, so you click on the three dots on the left top side. Okay, this button. You click on the three lines. Let me say 3 lines on the top right button. Okay, left button. So after you click on it, it will appear like this. So you click on generate payload. This generate payload. Okay, so after you click on the generate payload, it will appear like this. A new pop-up will appear like this. Okay, so you do this simple settings here. Okay, so you click on the connect, you change it to get. Okay, so you click on the get button. After you change it, you click on the front query. Okay, make sure it is ticked. You click on it, and user agent, you click on these two, and online host too, you click on it. So these 3 buttons are the most important things you need to do. So after you take both of them, make sure you have your own address, like maybe whatsapp.com. So let me use whatsapp.com. Good. After you click on that one, you are good to go. Now you click on the generate button. Okay, so you click on the generate, and boom, your payload has been generated. No time to do anything or blah blah blah. You click on it, so your payload has been generated. Simple as that, without any going to websites or anything. If this video helped you, kindly subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click on the notification button. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you. Bye.